Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see pending group invites on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to see your pending group invites on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app, as I've already opened the Steam app and logged into my account, and similarly log into your account on the Steam app as well. And in order to proceed to view your group invites or see your group invites on your Steam account, at the top left corner of the screen on this panel you can see your username available for us over here on this menus. And when we hover over our username, or drop down menu like this appears. Now in order to view our pending group invites, we'll be required to click on the groups option over here just below the friends. Click on groups and you land over here, where as you can see under the category of groups there is the pending invites. Click on the pending invites over here, and all of your pending invites for groups on your Steam account will be over here, where it says currently, it says sorry, there are no pending group invites to show because I have no invites over here currently pending. But in your case, if you have pending group invites, they will be over here. And there guys, this is how to see pending group invites on Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.